Hello, it's Andrew here at Life and Pig Grow, and today I'm going to show you how to take a Cosmos tray like this to this, and we call this pricking out. So we start on our trusty potting on bench and we fill a 6-cell tray. Any cell tray will do, just plenty of room for the plant. We've done this before. We go like this and it knocks the soil down and all the air pockets out. Now I've not got masses of room, but I'm going to show you first how to take a seedling out. And we always hold it by a leaf, never by the stem, because you will crush it. You will throttle it to death. And then with a dibber, can be anything you want, as long as it can get in, we go underneath and we start to tease out the plant roots. And tease, folks, tease. Can you see? If there's any resistance, I tease around it to make it loose. And there we are. There's my plant and its little root system. Back to the 6 cells. Now we do. Let's make a hole with our dibber again. Take our little plant and gently again tease it down into the hole like so. And then put the soil around. If you want to, very gently with your fingers, firm it in. And there we go. And then we're going to fill the entire seed tray just like that. And there we are, one 6-cell tray done. Give that a good watering, put it on the bench and let it grow away. And in a few weeks' time, I'm going to start hardening these off. And then I'm going to plant them out and I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. So that's how you prick on compost and then put it back up and away it goes. Isn't it fantastic? And what's really interesting to me is that a little plant like this can produce such a big root, and it's vital. You know, that gives life. But don't worry, if you snap it a little bit while teasing it out, it'll recover at this stage. So until next time, it's goodbye from me, Andrew at Life and Pig Grow, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye bye.